Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This time we are going to talk about completing the square method, and I'm going to discuss with you on how to solve a quadratic equation using the method of completing the square. Now we all need to understand what the completing square method is. So as you understand, that it's a method used to solve a quadratic equation by changing the form of the equation so that the left side is a perfect square trinomial. So let us go directly to the question. Solve the equation 3x squared plus 4x minus 4 equals 0 using the method of completing the square. So the first thing we need to do, we need to make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So we have to divide both sides by 3 and take the 4, which is negative 4, to cross the other side, which means in the other side, the right hand side, it will be positive 4. So as you can see there, from this part, we have to divide both sides by 3 so that we get the coefficient of x squared to be 1. So from there, now this gives us, now by using the rule of perfect square, we now divide the value of b by 2, and then now we add the value which we're going to get on the b part. That will be 4 over 6. Now we do the square, and then we add on both sides on the left hand side and right hand side. So when we add both sides, left hand side and right hand side, we get x squared plus 4 over 3x plus 4 over 6 squared equals to 4 over 3 plus 4 over 6 squared. So this 4 over 6 came in when you divide 4 over 3 divided by 2. So now what you need to know to do, we take the numbers which have, or the values which have a square in the left hand side, and then we get the value of the right hand side. So this gives us x plus 4 over 6 squared equals to 16 over 9. So from there now, taking the square roots of both sides, this gives us, now from there, we now solve the value of x, and the first part, we are going to do x equals to 4 over 6 plus or minus square root of 16 over 9, which gives the square root of 16 over 9 gives us 4 over 3. So let's not forget the negative, because when you cross the equal sign of 4 over 6, this gives us negative 4 over 6 plus or minus 4 over 3. So from there now you work out for the addition, and then you work out for the subtraction. So the first part is x equals to negative 4 over 6 plus 4 over 3, and the next one is, so from there now we get the value of the first x and the other x, which is the second part. Therefore, x equals to 2 over 3, which is the solution of the first part, x equals to negative 2, which is the solution of the second part. So we need to understand that this method is very important, and it enables us to solve quadratic equations, which we may not solve it using factorization method. So these are the answers of this quadratic equation given here when you use the method of completing the square method. Thank you very much.